Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Rumble app. So the process is really simple and easy. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is download the Rumble app. You can do that by visiting the Play Store, and once you did that, open the Rumble app. So let's do that. Basically, this app is just like YouTube, but not exactly YouTube. Here you can upload videos and earn by that. Now, once you're in the app, as you can see, I'm on the home page. And from here, you can go to account details by clicking on the bottom right corner. Now, here you can see the earning option. And here you can withdraw money directly from the Rumble app. So, what you're going to do is go to the Rumble website on your browser. And once you're logged on, you can see Accounts button on the top right corner. Let's tap on that and then click on Account Overview, and it'll redirect me to this page now. Here you can see the cash out option, and by clicking on this button, you can withdraw your money. And so that's it, guys. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.